Get this woman. So you are useless children descending of my mother. Answer me! I'll kill somebody here! You. Were you there when they were descending of my mother?
No, I wasn't there. If I was there, I'd dead to death.
Hey! Stand up.
You're going. Stand up.
Food. Listen to me. Were you there when they were descending of mama? I mean, this woman and her children. Eh?
Mama, where? When? How? Where? When? Hey! Where's Mama?
Mama here.
Hey! Where's Mama?
So Nikki Pastor, you only know how to eat and sleep. Onyala, as for you, I own this house. Never mind that.
Oh, you know.
Obimu, my love.
Believe me, Joe.
Look at the way you are shining. Yeah? And you are telling me that you went to school.
You did not come. You didn't even come to see me. I mean, Joe, I'm angry with you.
Wait, Jalokwa.
What?
Don't tell me that another man is handling you. Eh?
Which other man?
Because this your shining is not ordinary.
Leave me alone, I beg. Wow, see how everyone is. Hey, you're trying to. Hi. Hey, Obi.
Thank God though.
So how is business now?
Thank God, the Lord has been so good.
Hey.
As you can see, lazy local boost.
Hey.
Let me through milk. Water better, of course, better malt. You know I'm trying to build up my business.
Yes.
I will collect goods on credit.
Okay.
Then after selling, I will return it and bring another one.
Hey.
That's it. $1.
I missed you so much.
I missed you too. So tell me, when did you come back?
I just came back now.
Are you serious?
Yes.
And you didn't even waste time to come and see me?
Don't know, I'm not coming to see you. Yes, I'm not happy to see you.
I'm very happy because I've missed you.
I don't miss you.
Come no.
I don't miss you.
Come no.
I missed you.
What you gonna walk in alone? And you look by somewhere.
Ekwima! Onyohi! Criminal! What are you trying to do?
No, good evening.
Hold your business to yourself, I don't want it. What are you trying to do?
Papa, this goat, I was coming, no. I came here. Yeah. The goat blocked me. I was like, you goat leave the way now. The goat blocked me again. I said, okay, since the goat doesn't have some respect, and in the I just have to show it, teach it more respect.
Which means, it's either the goat is a ghost, or it belongs to a ghost.
Papa, that goat doesn't have one now.
Doesn't have owner?
In the way, and you could stranded.
I know you're lying, but continue. Finish up what you started. Continue. I'm listening to you. Obumneke.
Papa.
Come and finish what you started. Come and complete what you started, Obumneke. Want to see the goat?
Papa, it's not what you think. Oh.
No! It's not what I think. But what I actually saw with my two eyes. Obumneke.
Papa, you won't run now.
Obumneke. But let me warn you. Don't allow me to see this goat anywhere close to my house. Are you hearing me? Because from now on, I am going to put my ears on the ground to know when anybody is crying for his or her lost goat. I will readily bring them to the house and say, this is the person who stole your goat.
Papa, it's not what you think. Oh.
No!
Papa, this goat doesn't have respect. Oh.
It's not what I think.
Papa, this goat doesn't have respect. Oh.
No! It's not what I think. But exactly what I saw. Obumneke wanting to steal a goat that was tied to feet
No, Papa, I was trying to teach the girls some respect.
Go ahead.
Papa, everyone wants to
You can teach it a lot of respect, not even some. Teach it all the respect.
Everyone wants to and they might have been very impatient.
It's not what I think, but what I saw with my eyes. You even said the goat is a virgin goat. Yes. Good. Disvirgin it before you do anything with it. You know.
Papa, I'm going to be very impatient too. Papa, I'm going to enjoy you. Chai! Bad market. Chai! Where did this big man come out from?
Every day na wahala. Every day na trouble. Every day na trouble. Man wey marry three wife. He go see shege. I say he go see shege.
Hola, Becky. See, I don't miss you so much. I'm coming to your papa as if they're looking for you. I don't see you now.
You mean you'll be coming to look for me for some days now?
Of man. See, do I not like lying in this kind of thing? So I don't like this kind of thing. You know me now. Why will I lie for you?
I know. Okay, I'm here. What do you want us to talk about?
Hola. Oh, you woman. I tell you, I'm loving you now. I'm loving you so much.
I love you too.
Oh.
But I can't marry you. With this your state of joblessness, you need to look for something doing to earn a living.
Baby, if I'm telling you, she tiring me well. This thing tiring me well. But what I go does now?
Okay, I have a suggestion. Yes.
When I'm talking, I'm hearing you now.
Alright, let's go. I'll tell you.
You sure?
Yes.
Right.
Mama, it's because of you. It is because of you. I don't know why you don't want to allow me deal with Nedi and her children.
And you shut up your mouth. Uju Edo, man.
You're really underrating me. You don't know what I'm capable of doing, despite my calm nature. You don't know.
Why?
You don't know your daughter.
Why? Kill we want to go.
Mama, compose yourself. Papa is coming. Go back. You wanted to answer.
When we finish packing the hair, we're going.
Let's pretend like nothing. Ouch! Take it easy.
What is going on here? I hope all is well.
Udod, all is well. We are just here receiving fresh air and having family conversation.
Exactly.
Come up here?
Yes.
I'm a number as a remember Kuna Kweba.
Mbano.
I want to remember.
Mbano.
Kakoma.
Nice.
No. Mudalo. Can't you see that I'm crying? You said Dalo.
I didn't know you were crying. I thought you were singing praises. Wait. Did anybody die in your family?
Mba.
So why are you crying?
Is it not that your stupid second wife, Jineka? She conspired amongst her children to beat me up, but I did not do anything to them.
I knew it. I knew that Obako was not for nothing. Obako Harbor and Kete. Sorry, Just take heart. You know, go.
Is it take again? I should take heart.
No.
But again, is it? Is that all you have to tell me? I should take heart.
What do you want me to do? What should I do for you? Should I kill myself for you people? Am I the only one that married 3 wives in this community? Why is my own different?
Your own is different.
How?
Your own is different because it might break. You just pack all of us together. Your mates now forget when you marry 1 wife or another break. Marry 2 wives, the second one they will break. But you just break all of us together. Can't come with my kitilabo. Johnny will break. You want to break?
I'm sorry. Stop crying.
Let me cry my cry.
Stop crying.
Let me cry my cry.
Stop crying.
It is my cry.
Oh no, I cannot.
Let me cry my cry. It is my cry. Let me cry it in peace. Rapumaka, please.
I say sorry, man. I will do something. In fact, I will do something about it. It's a promise.
Oh, tell me that thing what to do so that I will use it to pacify my heart.
Don't worry. I just promised that I will do something about it.
What
and I must do it.
What before?
It's okay. It's okay.
Mom, I'm so disappointed in you. I'm so disappointed in you. You saw them fighting and all you could do is sit back and watch them fight. Why? Why, Mama?
Yeah. Imoma, what would you have me do? Eh? I should join the fight. Or go to separate them. Ifogi, I've always known that you don't like me. You want me dead. Yes, it's true. You want me dead.
Shut up there, my friend. Will you shut up? Mama, you know there is no way I can wish you dead. I can't wish my own mother dead. But all I'm saying is that you could have made an attempt to separate them from fighting. What if someone had lost her life to the fight?
Okay, what's up? How is it my business? Now I am trying to mind my business. Obuloku. Okay. Nanya, Udochie, you're just coming back from your chemist. And it's obvious you're hungry. Go. Your food is ready. Go and eat. Oh?
Even you, Chidendo. Even you. Shut up. Even you are the only man at home, yet you couldn't do nothing.
Stop promoting me because you want me, Chidendo, to stop what I didn't start. I wasn't even there when they started. And I am not a man. I am a born.
Oh, my mind, I'm going about. Thunder fire you and fire down your small boy. Look at you, old man. You're still a small boy. Yeah, I'm still a small boy. Look at Bebe all over your jaw. And you're here telling me that you're still a small boy. Go out there and see your mate hustling, making money, and you're here eating Mama thank you. If I there making.
Am I not the one on Ekere Mama thank Mankwe? Cool down. What is it?
Mama, you are supporting this boy, you are supporting this boy.
Thank God you called him a boy. How old is he? He is small. You forget her phone one. Forget it. Okay. Wait until you have your own children. These ones are my own. Leave them for me, can see so.
Mama.
Go and eat.
Mama, stop supporting this boy, yo. Stop supporting him. This boy is no longer a small boy.
Small boy. Everybody speak. The boy speak on everybody. Are you okay? We are together.
Fight.
Go and eat. You look like a welcome.
I say you go see shege.
Udochie, my son.
Papa,
I call you here so that we can rub minds together as father and son. I don't need to tell you that amongst all my children, you are my most loved. Though I don't want to make it public so that it doesn't generate strife and envy amongst your siblings. No man does that. And so what I want to beg of you is, as it concerns your mother and this strife, envy and rancor in the house every time, please, I want you to help me talk to her. She can listen to you. If you sit her down as your mother and talk sense into her, she will hear you out. And she will begin to amend her ways. And believe you me, her daughters will equally follow her. all these problems won't be coming up again. Please, do this for me. Don't forget this adage amongst our people that says, Isi cha or danubu. That is, when the head gives way, the load on the head rests on the shoulder. As to say, after me, it is you. I want you to help me. Let there be peace in this house. What are we struggling for? What are we fighting for? Biko.
Papa, I've heard you. And I've been trying. But I will keep trying.
Thank you.
It's a promise.
Try more. Biko.
I will, Papa.
Try more.
Every day na wahala. Every day na wahala. Every day na trouble. Every day na trouble. Man wey marry three wives.
Say whatever you want to say now. Let me go back to what I was doing.
Okay, Soka, I'll be brief. Please, I want us to rub mind like husband and wife. My first wife. Soka, my question is, what came over you? Why did you suddenly turn from the Azoka I used to know to this thing I'm saying now? Eh? What happened to the love we shared? I mean, in those old times when you call me Obim, I call you Otom. Why this sudden change? I mean, what happened to the love we shared? Eh?
I'm supposed to answer.
Yes, that's why I'm asking you.
Yeah. Afananya. Why are you looking for who collapsed a building you destroyed yourself?
The building I destroyed myself?
Yes.
How?
The love, the care, the happiness we had, you destroyed. Where did I go wrong? Tell me. Where did I go wrong?
I got this. How far is it?
As fast as my leg can carry.
You're tired now?
No.
You're not tired? You want to run again?
No, I'm tired.
You know what? I can't wait to finally make you my wife. You know, so I can always wake up every morning to see you by my side.
You know what? I can't wait to feel your warm arm around you every night while we are sleeping. It will make me really glad.
That sounds so sweet. And I promise you, it won't take long. It's a promise to make your dreams to come to reality.
And I'll be the happiest woman in the world.
Are you serious?
There's something bothering me I would like us to discuss.
Can't it wait till tomorrow?
It can wait, but I'll be happy if we talk about it today.
Okay? I'm not yes.
I'm not playing with you.
I'm listening.
My parents are worried. They feel you're deceiving me, and if you get me pregnant, you run away.
But you know that's not true. You know that's not true. You know how much I love you. Why would I run away?
If you love me, then come and pay my bride price.
My love, you know I would have done that long before now if I have the money. But not to worry. In no distant time, I will. It's a promise.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
You know I love you.
And I love you more. My love, I want to ask you a very important question.
Go on.
Okay. If you are asked to make a wish so that God will grant it for you instantly, what would you wish for?
Marry you.
Mm-hmm.
And have many children as God wishes for us. Then live alone with our children happily.
Then marry me.
Is that a proposal?
My love, just say yes. And in less than 2 months, I will come and see your people.
Yes! Yes!
Yes.
I will marry you because I love you so much.
Come here.
Have you seen my husband?
Yes, okay, it's right there.
My love, your food is ready.
Okay. Those eyes, they're sparkling.
I can't help it. Thank you so much for last night.
Oh, serious?
Oh!
What is you? Avoid me. You, have you needed to be coming to my house? I am married.
I'm telling your child.
Who's out? Nkoyemo. Who's out?
But I take it easy.
Maybe you want to say that. I'll break your head.
Oh, are you chasing me out?
It's not what you think. It was a mistake.
Mistake? We both know you did this intentionally. I thought
thought you said you love me. You care for me. How could you do this to me with Kristen? This...
Oh, I love you so much. And I care for you. I love you so much, and that's the fact I can never deny. What happened between me and this thing, like you called her, was not intentional. Please, I promise to make it up to you. It's a promise.
Did she force you? Did she?
No. She did not force me. In fact, it's the handwork of the devil. Sorry.
Stop it! I cannot stand here and watch you accuse the devil for what he knows nothing about. You're a disgrace! Why not say you love me?
Yes, brother.
I am making arrangements so that we can go and bring Njideka in as my second wife.
What? But it seems you don't know what you are saying. No.
What is what? I did not bring you here to suggest. I only brought you so that whenever the matter arises, you help me talk to Utum. Calm her down. You know you are close to her.
But that won't be an easy job to do.
What won't be an easy?
Afne. Why? Did I offend you? Did I do anything wrong? Why are you determined to humiliate me this way? Did I wrong you?
You did not wrong me, my love. You did not. I still love you, and nothing has changed.
Please do not do this, I beg you, please.
She's pregnant for me. My blood.
I don't care! I don't care!
Oh. But her parents are aware of the pregnancy. They warned her not to go for an abortion. My kinsmen are even aware, and they have paid her dowry.
This house belongs to us. We take the decisions, not your kinsmen.
But if I do what you are asking me to do, I'm sure you know the consequences. Banishment. You need to understand.
There is nothing to understand. Listen to me. Excuse me. Don't touch you. Listen. There is nothing to understand. Listen to me. You are alone on this one. You are alone. Do not blame me for what happens. Don't you blame me. House against my will to challenge me. As if that was not enough. You went back to your mistake. Where are you going? Don't you know it's my turn to be with my husband today? Will you go there and take that thing you left as food or what? Go inside there and take it. Is she talking to me or you? Eh? Are you referring to me? You slap me!
Wait, please calm down.
I will give you a slap!
Calm down.
Okay. Huh? What is going on?
Come and talk to your wife, so me, I'm tired.
What is happening here? Now you both listen to me. I do not want what happened here to repeat itself again. I'm a traditional Igbo man. And that gives me the right to marry as many wives as I want. Do you understand?
You lie. You must return this which where you picked up from, else peace will not return in this house. You are an idiot. You are an idiot. You want to beat me?
Calm down now.
Yes, come on, get.
No, leave her. Come on, beat me.
No.
Leave me.
You don't need to. You should be mad. You want to kill somebody.
Yeah. Don't touch me. Just take
Hey,
my back.
I already have 2 women under my roof. You cannot come in. It's not possible.
My mother asked me to go and meet the man that got me pregnant too. Afunanya.
Brother.
Why?
Afunanya.
Afunanya, Ogene. Why is that?
What is all this?
Ogene.
Huh?
You people should just leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm a traditional Igbo man. What is wrong with you? I'm entitled to marry even 100 wives. Look up all those of my favorite body.
No, Mr. Pabo. Now that thing can look. I'm in my husband's house. You brought in a third wife. And here you are. Seeking peace that you will never find.
Azoka. Don't say that.
You will never get peace. As long as those women are in this house, what you will get is a restless mind and trouble spirit. Don't try it.
What's
that?
This? Azoka, I thought we have gotten over this.
You and who?
Monarchy, you and
Afuranya, you have gotten over it, but I have not. I will never. Each time I see those women in this house, I remember how they sneaked into my home from the back door.
Azoka, please. I understand your pains, but we can still live together in love, peace and harmony.
In this lifetime?
Yes.
I don't think so. Because the whole thing is still evergreen in my memory. Listen, let me tell you. You will never get peace from me.
Azoka, why are you saying this?
You will never get peace. All you will get is a restless mind and a troubled spirit. Don't try to touch my mouth.
This is Safunanya from Nanya.
Is that why you called me here?
Safunanya, your husband.
I thought you called me for something better, sir.
Every day na wahala. Every day na wahala. Every day na trouble. Every day na trouble. Man we marry till the wife. He go see shege. I say he go see shege. He go see shege. I say every day na wahala. Every day na wahala. Every day na trouble. Every day na trouble. Man we marry.
Obim. Udom.
My love. Okay, how long have you been standing here?
Long enough to know that you are troubled.
My love, I'm fine. It's just that I overworked myself, so...
Don't just tell me that. Obim, I know the difference between a worried mind and a stressed mind.
My love, I said I'm fine. I overworked myself and that's why I'm down. I'm stressed.
Obim, what is the problem? Tell me, I'm listening. I'm your girlfriend. Why are you hiding things from me? Tell me.
Obim, I said I'm fine. I said I'm fine. Can't you see? I overstressed myself. I'm fine.
You're fine.
Yes, I'm fine.
Mama, what were you discussing with Papa? You guys took so much time.
Don't mind your father. He was trying to remind me of the old times we spent together. Forgetting that he is the cause of this mess we're into today. Because of that thing in between his legs that he couldn't control.
I hope you did not agree to any peace and unity in this house.
Which peace and unity? Have I entered the police force? Yeah. You're talking as if you don't know your mouth again. There is nothing like peace, no.
Exactly.
My own is acrimony.
And disorder.
Aye, peaceless society.
I trust you.
I made him understand that a child who says the mother will not sleep should be ready to stay awake too.
Don't mind him. Let me help you.
My love, that is why I'm worried. I'm worried because my mother is the first wife. And she's supposed to be advising others. But what's she doing? Setting fire and making sure it doesn't stop burning in my family. What do I do? Why is she doing like that?
It's okay. I don't understand. Why is your mother like this? Like, why is she this violent? Why?
That is what it looks like. How else do I explain it? How else? She has bent in frustrating my father. And I'm worried. I'm worried because I am the first son. I'm the first son in the family. What am I supposed to do? Because I'm tired. I'm tired of this whole thing.
Calm down. Why don't you just call her privately and talk to her? She would listen to you as her son, of course. Call her privately and talk to her, please.
Do you know how many times I have done that? After talking to her, it gets worse.
Just call her for the last time and try and talk to her.
What is it again? What can I do for you?
There's something that have been disturbing me I would like to share with you. Yeah, honestly.
I'm listening.
Okay, see, let me tell you, I really love you.
You love me?
Yeah, I love you very, very much.
I beg you. You love me.
Yeah.
You love me, or you love what you're seeing in front and behind.
Whatever you call it, Shabo, I love everything. I love the front, I love the back, I love the down below. Everything.
Okay, oh, no problem. Maybe we should start with a hug now.
Really? Wow, that
you
would be
said
nice.
You love me,
yeah,
Nabi.
I love you.
Yeah, let's start with a hug. Just follow me.
Wow, that's
I say you go here every day na wahala, every day na wahala, every day na
Okay, it's okay.
Wow. You're so
I hope
sweet.
you enjoyed yourself.
Yeah, I really do. I enjoyed myself.
Okay.
So
Alright,
sweet.
now we'll see some other time.
Okay, so where can I see you again now?
Very soon, maybe tomorrow.
Really? Okay, I'll meet you out tomorrow.
Okay.
Take care.
Alright.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Hey, Jesus Christ, this girl have stolen my wallet. Oh. Hey, my money.
Njideka.
No.
I want to go and see my brother Edochie.
Ngwagano.
Won't be long.
Bye bye. How are you?
I'm not fine. Remember, there is something important here I wanted to discuss with you.
You have something to discuss with me?
Too much important.
Come and sit down.
I say you go here.
Bupaso.
Bupaso,
here.
My ocean is a bupaso in this wonderful planet one now.
Hey! You want to become a carpenter? Not just a carpenter, but a local village carpenter. Italaku kokesegede. Eh? Do you want my enemies to mock me?
Mama, how one? This carpentry is not a wonderful working. People doing it, making it go small. Okay. Look at Udochukwu doing his chemistry, small. Moving to pharmacy. You gonna be wire.
Hey!
Telling me it's not good.
You're not going to start in a small way. You will start in a big way. Remember, your elder brother is about to become a Catholic priest. And the building will be given to him. Before you know it, he'll become a big boy and sponsor your trip to abroad. Yes, where you go and make money.
Why?
And become a big boy.
Joey.
Oh, don't you want that? You know Dangote, Atoeze, Ifeanyi Oba, and the other prominent men. Eh? You don't want to be like them? Eh?
No. My mouth is telling me I should say name more. But my mind is telling me to shut up. Look at my English now. How me and Obodo people speaking it together now. How?
Don't worry, my son. When you get to the bridge, you cross over.
Don't worry.
Yes, good too.
I like a carpentering, no. I like his carpentering.
No, so I know my sister too well. She doesn't steal.
She's a thief.
Talk more of stealing your wallet. I mean, if there's something you want from her, you tell her. Even if she doesn't accept you, talk to me and I will talk her into it. Oh. Instead of you meandering around,
It's okay. I don't understand what you're saying. See, go inside and get my wallet. Go inside and get my wallet.
Don't insult me, oh. Don't insult me. Look, let me tell you. One thing I hate in this my life is someone insulting me on a Wednesday. The last person that did it regretted it.
See, I don't care if it sounds like a threat or not. What I know is that I'm not living here without my money. Go inside and get my wallet.
Which money? She's not a thief.
She's a thief.
What do you mean? No,
She's not my wallet.
I'm not
She's a thief.
She's not my wallet.
She's not my wallet.
I'm mad.
Let her go get my wallet.
Give me the wallet.
See, you gotta get my
I took
wallet.
the wallet, yeah. Let us hear what. I took the wallet.
Yeah, I'll go and get it. Let me leave this place. Don't waste my time, please. Go and get it. You're a thief.
Don't call her a thief
Your wallet, Abi. Don't worry. I took it. I'm coming. Just wait for me.
Go and get it. Don't see Sean. I'm see where you are.
Guy, you self calm down.
Calm down.
Why just a para anyhow?
Why not go para now?
How much even did the wallet sef?
It no concern you. What I need in my wallet?
How much you put inside?
You know how much is in that wallet?
Dollar dey inside. Euro dey inside.
Euro dey inside.
Calm down.
Pounds dey inside.
Bros, wetin? Let's start too fresh for all these things wey they do now. Wetin dey work you? You see her lips, you don kiss the lips before. Calm down, you never kiss the lips. If you see my sister, if you see my
Why did you keep meeting me?
Sorry, I was talking with Azukego. I almost forgot.
I hope you came with the money.
Yes, I came with it.
Hope the money is complete.
Very complete. You can count it.
No problem, I trust you.
Thank you. Give it to me now.
Let me go, Joe.
Can we go somewhere now?
You, today again?
Yes, now.
Chidozie. So it is true. It is true. Mama! Mama! Chidozie, what happened? So you've lost it. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Mama, it's not my fault. I hope your mom put her on this one, Mama. I was just trying to help them. I was just showing them light.
Hey!
I was just showing them light. Before you know, the security grabbed me and they labeled me a thief. Mama, can I know thirsty?
But you were caught red-handed 5 times.
Mama, I was just trying to show them light so that rat trap will not catch them. Mama, before you know it, the security grabbed me. The movie is trying to separate the office. From there, Mama will go on.
Just like that. Hey!
Huh? Hey. But you know, I cannot come back to the village now so that they will not laugh at us. That is why I remain in that community. I started working, Mama. For me to disguise myself, I have to grow beards. Because I know I was doing anything wrong. Because
Mama, for that, I'm going to smile. My enemies, they will laugh at me. They will mock me.
Mama. What temptation? It was gone.
Daddy, I'm not here. Hey,
Mama, don't you think you're getting this all wrong? Mama, with all due respect, you are the last wife in this house. We should respect the first and second wives.
Wally,
Come here. Don't step an inch away from me. Oh, God. Sit down. Sit down! Sit down. Anumpama. Now, Pobu. Afoni. Maybe you are the last one, because I am not. As far as I'm concerned in this house, in this family, there's nothing like first or the last. After all, we were all married to this family the same year.
But Mama,
shut up!
Mama!
What is it? What is it?
Mama, guess what?
Guess what? Baby, I'm not in the mood for any guessing thing. I am not in the mood for this your play. If you want to play, go out and meet your mates. You know, if you're not, I am not your mate. I'm Zueke this morning.
Mama, this one is not plain thing. Then what is it? Our overhyped Reverend Father that will soon become a bishop, then a cardinal to a Catholic pope. I saw him coming back with his whole luggage. Look at me, miserable.
You see why I said you should not joke with me? That if you want to joke, get outside and find your age mates. Because I'm not a brother. Or when you find that guy, you were not hype. Mama,
this one is not joke. I saw Doze with my eyes.
Mama, she's joking.
You saw him where?
I'm not joking. I saw Doze outside.
I say you go hear me. Every day na wahala. Every day na wahala. Every day na trouble. Every day na trouble. Man wey marry till wife. I say you go hear me.
Mama Father, good morning. Greetings, Mama Father.
What's the meaning of this?
Mr. Popo again. What is so difficult for you to understand that I want to recognize you with the name you chose to answer yourself? Eh? The name you have been bragging and boasting around the village with. What is so difficult for you to understand?
Oh, I see. So they've told you, Abby?
Told me what?
They have told you. Hey! Yes! At least it will be said that my son tried.
Tried what?
He tried.
Watch your blue
No!
Nah, is it not better that my son did not even enter at all than bringing shame to this responsible family? Eh? Is it not better that my son stays home, Amalia Ifobu, than a pretense like your son that went there to disgrace himself? Shameless woman, if like that.
Shut up, Biago.
Get it, my sour prior. I'm the better boy. That's why you're so failed.
She said no. Why? Please come here first.
Hola, why you now? Hola, what's injuring me?
What are her reasons?
You talking to say it's not I should do me big, you know. I should do me big, you know. That capitalism is not my portion, you know, and not my calling, you know. About my phone.
It's not your calling. You should have asked her what your calling is. Because she cannot stop you from doing something without providing a plan for you. Or is she happy seeing you roam around this village doing nothing?
She talking that Obodo Ibo is my calling, no. You're calling me for Obodo Ibo.
Hey!
I will go in Obodo Ibo, do me big.
Obodo Ibo is your calling. With this your bad English. How do you even intend to communicate with the whites?
I get into the bridge, I crossing it, I get to Obodo Ibo.
Hey!
Me and you roam village, me and you roam Obodo Ibo too. Yeah, all roam together village, we roam in Obodo Ibo now.
Please,
don't worry, we roam together in the village, we roam in Obodo Ibo.
Is there your generation that are stupid? All of you are criminals! Yes, especially your stupid son, Abum.
You call my son? Manya, this is connected. This is connected. Let me deal with her.
Hey, Abuma, answer me.
It is you and your prostitute's daughters. That imbecile, that illiterate, never do well. Rabia. That was at the verge of collapsing seminary with stealing that are all armed robbers.
They are very stupid. They are very stupid. Yes.
You're insulting a seminarian like me. Mama, my friend. If I slap you, forget this. What you forget to do? Listen to me.
I will do it with some nigga and I will deal with you. What do you think, man? What do
Why do you want to do this to me? Please, I beg you. Please don't tell your mother that you saw me with Nena. I have enough problem already with your mother and I don't want it to escalate. Please, I beg you.
Okay. But you know I saw something.
Pretend like you didn't see it. Pretend like you did not see anything.
Okay, what do you have for the banger girl?
That one is sure now. If you go under my pillow, I have there's this 500 there. Take it. Mama! Why are you doing this to me? Why do you want to do this to me? I'm begging you. You want to break bread between me and your mother. Okay, I'll give you 2,000 naira. And now, okay, 5,000. 5,000.
You see, wait. If you don't give me 10,000 naira, if I count up to 3,
well, how do I get that? Okay, I'll accept it. I'll give you 10,000 naira.
Let's take oath. Bring your hand.
How do you want to take your oath with your oath?
This is a business oath. Bring your hand again.
Your father. What is all this? I mean, what is all this nonsense? What wrong have I done to deserve this restless home? I can't even have peace or joy in my own house again. Am I the only man that is married to 3 wives? By the way, am I not a titled man and as such deserve as many wives as I want? Why?
Good morning, Papa. Good morning. Papa, good morning.
Chidozie, Papa, is anything or has anything been good about your money?
Well, Papa, nothing good yet, but you can still make it good. I know you.
What do you want?
Papa, I need money. Ego.
You need money?
Yes, Papa.
What for?
Papa, you are asking a grown-up man like me what I need money for. More. Okay. I want to shave my beard. I need money.
You want to shave your beard?
Yes, Papa.
So if you want to shave your beard, you come and ask me for money.
Papa. Any dream I go. Oh, you know my father.
It's all right. How much is it?
Oh, Ebele Okaro, Papa. 5,000.
Every day na wahala. Every day na wahala. Every day na trouble. Every day na trouble. Man we marry to the wife. He go see shege. I say he go see shege. He go see shege. I say every day na wahala. Every day na wahala. Every day na trouble. Every day na trouble. Man we marry to the wife.
Abum, good dive, nice jump.
What is it?
You're asking me what is it? What are you doing with that fowl?
This fowl?
This particular fowl.
fowl doesn't have owner. A very careless fowl now. This fowl walks about in this community too much. This fowl, Okukibo, walks a lot now. So I was just trying as a good Samaritan to return it to the owner.
Really? Okay, come. Let's take it to the owner together. And the owner will see what we did to this fowl.
It's not what you think now. Eh? Why did you let you know what you saw?
Tell me what they sup now, make I know. Come. Come. Let's go. Let's go now. Oh yeah. After you. Diver.
Stop following me about this boy.
You're never gonna give me the money. This is why some people will go to people's room to steal from people even when people don't want to steal and be seen as criminal by people.
That is why you shamelessly went with some people into some people's hostel to steal some people's money after being caught and shamelessly disgraced out of school by some people, thereby bringing shame and disgrace upon the people who are your family.
What you are saying now is why some people go to people's room to steal people's money and eat people's money.
Stop following me. Don't follow me again.
Papa?
If you leave, mistake of his son, that's what you are.
No problem. Papa, you will give me the money. You will give me the money. Papa, Papa. Papa, you give me this money. Papa, you give me this money. Papa, if you give my court, Papa, if this can court, if we only have my money again, nobody will enter that house. Give my court.
Okay, I see. So you actually want to collect money from me to go and play besNigerian?
How is it your business? Obasaragi?
It's not my business. Then why are you asking me for money?
That is your own business. That is the own duty, Papa.
I won't even get that. I don't know this is you. Leave me alone. Stop following me.
Papa, I will follow you. I don't want to kill you. I don't want anybody to die.
Every day not trouble. Every day not trouble. Man wey marry three wife. He go see shege. I say he go see shege. He go see shege. I say every day na wahala. Every day na wahala. Every day na trouble. Every day na trouble. Man wey marry three wife. He go see shege. I say he go see shege. You go see trouble from the east, trouble from the west, trouble from the north, trouble from the south. One day, one story.
Come now, I am with the money cash. Just come, I will give it to you. I'm not lying now. I have the money cash here now. 1,000 naira. Small 500.
I'm coming, Let me go to the field.
Bye bye yo. C'est mi Reverend Father Oyoshi.
Are you talking to me?
Hey, why do people hate hearing their name?
Are you talking to me?
Is your name not Semi Reverend Father Chidozie Afunanya Oyoshi Abani?
You got it.
You see, in football, there is this thing we call quarter-final. After quarter-final, you have semi-final, then you have the final. But because you're a very bad footballer, Ebo Yakubu, Ibo Steren, that is why you were knocked out of the semi-final.
Why am I even looking for this money outside? I'm quite sure I kept the money in my room. Money didn't drop outside. I left it in my room.
Onye no logo ye wata no kuwisi. Oh ye wata nkopanya agoba ununu.
Mama, what dog? Yes, no, what dog? Uju Okoli. What criminal? Give me my money. Give me the money you stole from my room.
Which money?
Oh, you're asking me which money?
Did you give me money to keep for you? In your make to argue.
Chidozie, so your reason for coming home is to be stealing money from my room?
Yes, Papa. Yes, Papa. This guy will know you. He's a criminal. I saw him. You're a thief. Papa, are you talking about the 15,000 naira you put inside a black nylon bag and hid it inside the drawer in your room, the left side?
Yes.
Hey, no shit. That has 10 1,000 naira notes and 10 500 naira notes. This is it.
Yes, exactly.
Tell me I didn't see this money. Tell me I didn't see it. If I have seen it now, you have called me a thief. Now you know she stole it.
Wait, Chidindo.
Hey, Papa.
How come you know about the condition and the location of the money I'm looking for?
Oh!
Even the denominations. How?
Papa, you know I hate this thing. You know I hate it. Papa, I didn't see your money. I didn't see your money. No one knows you have in your home. Come, take the money from him. Give me money. There's no say money there for collect am. Give me. Give me my money. Go back here. Give me my money. Give me money. Papa, leave me alone. Papa, leave me alone. Papa, leave me alone. Where's my money? Come here.
Look at this thief.
What is it?
Look at this criminal.
Eh? Why are you chasing him?
Asoka, this idiot, thief. He went to my room and stole my 15,000 naira. Tell him to give it to me. If not, I'll give him.
Stop it. What is this nonsense for now? My son is not a thief. Thief.
For where? My mother is not a thief.
Oh.
So how can I, Chidendo, be a thief? Unless I got it from my father.
From who?
My father.
Bia, Afnanya. Carry your frustration somewhere else and leave my children and I alone.
Azoka, is that all you have to say? Is that all you have to say, Azoka? Instead of you cautioning this thief of a son behind you.
No, Megan.
Also, he stole my money. Tell him to give me that money. I won't enjoy it. You see this evil seed you're planting in him? It will germinate and grow up for you. For you alone.
For you too. For you too. Biatna. Banimon. Leave us alone.
Azoka.
Leave us alone. And if you talk again, I'll call my children and they will beat you up.
What did I say now?
What have you not said?
What did I say now?
I will call them, especially Joma. So, after all he has done, he is still going after women to make me angry, okay? No problem. No problem. Oh, by the way, has he given you the ransom you demanded?
Trust me now. He gave it to me immediately.
Good. That is all right. I know what to do.
Mama, what is your plan?
Don't worry. Just wait till tomorrow. I'll be needing your help and that of Chidendo. Don't worry.
Mama, that one is not a problem now. You know that I am your agile mopo. Call me whenever. I'll bend anybody's neck. I'll press their eyeballs. I'll squeeze their neck.
Why? Save the energy for tomorrow.
Ned, the reason I called you is this. I am no longer comfortable with the incessant fights and crisis between you and your co-wife. I am no longer comfortable with it.
And what makes you think that bringing me out here this night will change anything? What will it change? Very forget change.
Ned.
Ned.
When I met you, you were a very kind and peace-loving woman. What changed to you this much?
That was why you took advantage of me. You deceived me. After you lied to me. I would never forgive you.
Witnessed. The kind of woman I want to call my wife.
Are you sure? I hope you are not deceiving me.
Me deceive you? You know I cannot deceive you. Ned, the truth is that I love you. And I can do anything for you.
I love you too. But you know that I'm scared. My mother used to tell me that all men are the same. If they just use you, they'll just dump you.
Where am I running to? Where will I run to? I'm not going anywhere. I'm different. I'm different. Listen, I promise you, I will never break your heart. It's a promise.
You.
Come here. You're on it. But I thought we've resolved this.
I don't want to get pregnant.
And who said you are getting pregnant?
I thought if a man and a woman I'll get pregnant.
No, it doesn't work that way. You're not getting pregnant, I assure you. I know how to do it. You know, there are different ways of... Come, let me show you.
I say you go see trouble from the east, trouble from the west, trouble from the north.
What are you doing in my house? I told you not to come to my house, not until I invite you.
So it's true.
What is true?
Are you not married?
Who told you that?
Osim, who told you that? Are you not married? Answer my question. Are you married or not?
See, Ned, this is not the right place to discuss this. Go under that tree where we normally meet and wait for me. If I come, we discuss it properly.
Ose, go under which tree? I am not going anywhere. We'll talk that talk here and now. Better start talking. So you thought you would hide the whole thing from me forever, eh? Amatagonum.
See, Ned, I wasn't hiding anything from you. And as a matter of fact, I don't love any of them. I do not. It's you that I love. And you know it.
It's me that you love.
Yes.
Eh? And you're not married to them.
I'm not.
Yet you're living in the same roof with them as husband and wife.
You see? You see where you get it all wrong? You're wrong! I did not marry any of them. I did not get married to any of them. My mother... See, my parents connived with the two idiots. They drank my drink. I was asleep. If there was anybody on top, it must be them. I did not. And if we did anything, it would be once. Do you understand me? When I discovered that they were pregnant, I had to run away. I ran away. My parents did not even end there. They went to their houses and paid their bride price. Brought them back to the house and even came to the place I was hiding and brought me back. You see, I did not marry any of them. Oh. I did not. My parents married them. You know I love you so much.
Yes, sir. Why are you lying to? Do I look like a child to you? Why would you be lying to me? Eh? Your parents did this, your parents did that. Why are you lying to me? I know it all. Stop lying to me. Eh? Okay. You're not married to them. So why are you hiding me from them? Eh?
Who said I'm hiding? You see?
You're protecting their feelings.
You see? You see? Can't you just reason with me? I am not hiding. Why should I? My own Ned. Why should I? I'm only protecting you. If only you know how diabolic they are. You will even thank me for protecting you. They are very, 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 very diabolic. They are very dangerous. They can even kill you. I don't want anything to happen to one child. You understand me? You just calm down. You know I love you so much. I love you.
You're evil. You were a very wicked man. You're the devil himself. If I see you anywhere close to my father's compound, looking for me, it shall never be well with you.
Even after my explanation.
You're wicked. It shall never be well with you. Wicked man. You're wicked.
What kind of problem is this? Huh? Why do I always get caught? Other people will cheat and their own will go smoothly. Just one that I will do, it will result in illness.
I'm pregnant.
You are what?
I'm pregnant.
How can you be pregnant, Ned?
You slept with me and I'm pregnant.
No, you don't even understand what I'm saying. That is not what I'm talking about. Why should you allow yourself to conceive? I have 2 wives already. And I have no intention of making it 3.
Why
where are you going? You have to do. No, let's settle this matter here. I'm telling your job now. You're broke. You have to reconsider.
Reconsider? Only reconsider. Reconciliation. I bought this thing. That is my humble advice to you.
I'm not going to anything.
Where are you going to?
One minute walk,
Are you ready for the abortion? I have the money here. Mary, you are crying. Huh? I know you are scared, okay? But I will stand by you to make sure everything goes successfully. Come on, he's not as painful as you think. Let's go.
Afunanya, I can't abort this child. I can't.
You can't abort this child? Eh? I thought we both agreed on aborting it. Which one is this one now?
Yes, we agreed. But my mother found out this morning.
What? How could you allow your mother to find out?
That's why I'm going, because she promised to tell my father if he comes back home. You just killed me. You killed me.
What are you? My God, Ned. Ned, I thought you were wise. Eh? I'm not going to.
I was only a kid, myopic in understanding. Then you took advantage of the fact that I loved you. You destroyed my life, my dreams, my aspirations, all I had planned to become in life by making me your third wife. I will never forgive you, Afunanya. Never.
Please don't say that. I am still your husband. You have to forgive me. I am sorry. Eh? You should have forgotten all about this all this year.
Unfortunately, I haven't. Because every day I wake up to the reality that I am your third wife, it breaks my heart. It made me regret ever coming into your home. Afunanya, if you want peace and rest in this home, send away those two wives. Hey, take them away, or you wave away your children, and let me become your only wife.
Ned,
that's the only thing that will make me.
Stop saying this. Stop saying it. How can the woman that came here before you?
Then allow me to fight for what is mine. Because my children will never suffer in their own father's house. Allow me to fight for my rights.
Nobody is suffering.
My children will never be second class in their father's house. After first wife number 1, wife number 2, then you will count me wife number 3. Before they will get anything, bam, don't calm me down.
I say we go see trouble from the east, trouble from the west, trouble from the north, trouble from the south. One day, one story. Every day I fight. We go see shake. Every day na wahala. Every day na wahala. Every day na trouble. Every day na trouble.
I talk fast now.
I say every day na wahala. Every day na wahala.
Azoka, what's the meaning of this?
Don't you have respect? Hey! Eh? Where you came from? Who they were elders?
Elders in the work on Kendem mother. Hey Azoka, I can say one trouble this afternoon, Azoka.
I'm okay now,
yes!
Eh?
What
is this nonsense?
Azoka!
Azoka, okay, next. Azoka, what's all this? Okay, Azoka, you are supposed to be the eldest of my wives, and as such, a custodian of peace and harmony in this house, and I'm not around.
I say no, Wumbo.
I am disappointed at you.
You are getting?
Yes.
Shut up. You can make it woman. If you were not my husband there, you see it to really shut up for
what
me.
What have you not said? Huh? Azoka, what is left for you to say?
You just jumped into the matter. I And you're blaming me. You know, blame him for what? Iju.
Now, can you see that?
Shut your mouth up. Shut up. Must you quarrel with her? Why can't you keep quiet and wait for me to come back?
I'm impressed.
So you're about to...
You're beginning to be a man.
Shut up.
Papa, I'm at home.
You see another 1,000 naira note.
I am here. Don't tell my mother to shut up. Allow her to talk.
Who is talking?
Did
I hear any voice?
Inuge, I'm the one talking.
Minus one.
Ekwen.
I'm okay. Hey, hallelujah.
I'm
Unfortunate old man. Look at your head. When I was of your age, my head was overgrown with hairs. Shameless idiot. I sent you to the seminary to go there and better your life. You went there and turned a disgrace to yourself.
Mama,
criminal.
It's my disgrace. It is not your business. Allow me to rest, Papa. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, Papa.
Yeah.
Look at you. Shameless thief.
No a thief.
Send your Yoshi.
No a thief.
In a hell like you.
I will not stand up from here. I will not stand up from here.
Hey!
Until they bring a better channel.
Yeah, but you are not here.
It's your son, no?
Whose son?
It's your son that pushed him down.
That's your thief of a son that pushed him.
It's your son. I saw him. I saw him very well.
Are you saying?
It's your son.
Jebo will talk for you.
Yeah. Oh,
but
what's
not spotless white? Two.
I will not let up.
Hey yeah, hey yeah, one minute walk.
Hello, beautiful lady. How are you?
How may I help you?
Come on, you don't have to be harsh on the stranger, okay?
So, Mr. Stranger, what do you want?
So can we go to a more fanciful place and have a conversation?
Okay, oh, no problem.
Hop in, let's go.
I say you go see shake it. You go see trouble from the east, trouble from the west, trouble from the north, trouble from the south. One day, one story.
I don't know why Ned is not here. Even when she knew that this meeting will go today. Anyway, the reason I called for this meeting is because of what happened here earlier today. I want to warn that I don't want a repeat of that nonsense in my house again. I don't want it.
Then settle it. Settle it. Not just talking, settle it. That is what real men do.
Azoka, I have plans to settle it, and that is why I called for this meeting.
My we are listening.
Speak for yourself.
And you want to go more people.
Well, since that kitchen has become the bone of contention in this house, I want to schedule the usage of it amongst the three of you. Azoka, Njideka, and Ned. Now listen to me. Azoka, make use of that kitchen to the fullest from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. every day, and vacate it at 8 a.m. for Njideka. Njideka, do whatever you want to do in that kitchen from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. While Ned will enter the kitchen and make use of it from 10 a.m. till 12 noon. Is that clear?
No, it is not. It's Cecile.
And what's the meaning of that as well?
Hey, will you shut up? You know any one? Eh? I am the first and legitimate wife. Nobody can tell me when to use my kitchen. Okay, Nano? Nobody. For any reason or the other possible.
Asoka, nobody is disputing the fact that you are the first wife.
Oh.
You have your respect. Why not make use of it instead of, trampling upon it? Asoka, why do you hate peace?
It is not like I hate peace. No. But I know my rights. And I go for it. I am the first wife, the legitimate wife. That kitchen belongs to me. Nobody can tell me how to use it. What is possible? It is my kitchen. I use it anytime I want to use it.
Azuka, we are all married to our husband the same year.
Not the same day. If you ever tell me to shut up again, in short, enough of this nonsense. I want you to share your property. Let me know the ones we have and know how to protect them. Biko, what kind of nonsense is this?
That's all. What did I hear you say?
Care property, share it. Let me take my children and I, the one that belongs to my children and I will protect it. Every day we don't want to say somebody.
I go why?
Somebody. Kunieba alwebelo.
Ebu angono gwe maronyembo.
Kunieba. I'm going to be able to make it. Get off from here.
Thank you for the fish show. It was really nice. I enjoyed myself.
It's alright, you're welcome. This is a little of what I'm going to do when you're bored with me on my ship.
Really?
Yeah.
I can't wait.
You know, I love you so much and I want to take care of you.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's see how it goes.
I say you can see shaking. You can see trouble from the east, trouble from the west, trouble from the north, trouble from the south. One day, one story. Every day I fight. You can see shaking. Every day now wahala. Every day now wahala. Every day now trouble. Every day now trouble. Man away married to the wife. You go see shaking. I say you go hear me. You go see shaking. Every day now wahala. Every day now wahala. Every day now trouble. Every day now trouble. Man away married to the wife.
Where's my phone? Hold on. Oh my God. My wallet and my phone. Look at my phone being.
Every day now wahala. Every day now wahala. Every day now trouble. Every day now trouble. Man away married to the wife. You go see shaking. I say you go see shaking. You go see shaking. I say every day now wahala. Every day now wahala. Every day now trouble. Every day now trouble. You go see shaking. I say you go see shaking. You go see trouble from the east, trouble from the west, trouble from the north, trouble from the south. Then I fight, you go see shaking. Every day na trouble, every day na trouble. Man away married to the wife.
Knock again.
Okay,
Do you want to break the door?
Someone is looking for you.
That's why you now want to break that door.
So this is where you're hiding. You can only hide or you cannot walk. You think after stealing my money and my phone that I will not search for you? Where's my money and my phone?
I don't know.
What's the problem?
It's your daughter. She stole my money and my phone.
And then?
So where is my money and my phone?
Which money? Did I beg you to carry me in your car? Were you not the one that was going about doing Father Christmas being a good Samaritan? I don't understand. Now you're coming here to cry like a people.
Okay.
Can you just imagine?
Please.
Did you just call me now a he-goat?
Please, sorry. Pardon her.
No, did you just call me a he-goat now?
Okay, what is
Listen up. You are going to provide everything that you've stolen from me out. I will pull down this roof. I will pull down this garden roof.
This house? Pull down which roof? Why are you making like a Rottweiler?
Young man, if you know what is good for you, you and your sister go in there, get me my wallet and my phone out. I'll pull down this roof. You come on. Which roof do you want to pull down? You want to
Calm down.
Okay.
Calm down.
Now I see. I never knew you were a thief.
Just calm down. Your wallet and what?
My wallet and my phone.
Yes. Go and get it.
So you are a thief.
Calm down now. You're going to get it.
Okay. Be careful, no. Mama, I want to go. I never knew.
Sorry.
I was dialing and whining with
It's okay, please. You're not to get your wallet.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
Come and take your wallet. Come and take your wallet.
Smarty man.
What is my friend in this house?
No, I am back. But I'm looking like one father again in my life. Mama, Etiko. What is this? Calm down. Okay. Aisha.
Are you to calm down? You share again. What do you mean by that?
Wait, all the chicken and the okwe that you have been eating.
I wonder.
Mama, that is not my business.
Okay, worry and why you're doing
Onye nọlọkụ nye nweta nkụ isi onye nweta nkụpanya agụba ọnwụ nnụnụ.
It's obvious that you decided to become your mother's fighter. Instead of you to preach peace, you are always at the center of crisis.
That is because crisis is what this family needs. After all, it's even written in the Bible that the kingdom of God suffered violence, and only the violent take it by force.
Anofia! That is the only verse in the Bible that keeps ringing in your memory.
Now, because that is what this family needs.
My son, Azuka raised the topic of sharing your father's properties in today's meeting. And if she puts more pressure on him, he might start considering doing it. And I don't want that to happen.
Man, what are supposing does now? I don't know.
Uju Okoli is your father's first son, traditional, but with few days anyway. And from the look of things, your father may end up favoring that boy. And I don't want that to happen, no. So I want you to go into serious fight with him, if that ever happens.
But Chele like me now, thinking it like me now. Instead of me fighting this one now, I better I'll go looking for small money. Obey go big money, it become big. Nah. If I'm fighting there for landing and properties, how does it now? If I selling the tree now, it will small money. Selling trees now, nothing come out. It will small money now. I can't fit it.
Okay, make sure shut up. There's nothing more important than your birthright. It's very important. What the is important? It's a
can't fight no.
Mama. Mama, why bring up this idea? Why bring up this idea knowing too well that it will cause more crisis to this family?
In a bosso crisis. Don't you know that if your father should die now, give a crisis harder?
Mama, are you wishing Papa dead?
Everybody will have to die someday. Your father is just a mere mortal. Death is inevitable.
Mama, let me even ask you. What is even there to share?
Hey, a lot of things. Palm fronts, palm trees, pieces of land, including this house.
Okay, Mama, if Papa gives us this house, what about others? Where are they going to stay?
Do I look like I care? Eh? What is my business with them? You are the first son. If your father gives you this house, if they like, let them run to the bush. Or let them hang in the air. I try to mind my business because of my...
Mama, you're very mean and wicked.
Thank you for the compliment, my son. Thank you. But it is the same meanness and wickedness that have brought us this far. I trained you all with it. I am not even ready to change anytime soon.
Mama, we have to be fast with everything we are doing. You know, I am the third wife. And if your father decides to share his property amongst your brothers, you will get little or nothing from it.
Mama, why would you make such mistake? Why would you get married to a man as a third wife? Don't you have plans for your children? You are making me regret having you as a mother.
I regret it because my getting married to your father was a mistake. It was not my choice at all. My parents forced me into it.
Mama, how could you get carried away? Getting married to a man that has 2 wives already.
I made a mistake. It was just a mistake.
What do you want me to do now?
I think I have a plan. I have a plan for us.
What plan?
I say you can see shaking. We go see trouble from the east, trouble from the west, trouble from the north, trouble from the south. What?
Jemanya, what do you think you are doing? No, what are you doing?
Ned, your clothes are dried. I should tell them for me to hang mine.
You touched my clothes. Listen, you did what? You did what? No, Alanapui, have you gone in sin? Eh? Does that give you the right to lay this your filthy hands, smelly dirty hands on my own clothes?
You threw my clothes on the ground?
And I will do worse things to you if you don't get out of my sight now.
Hey!
What's again? You can make it.
Okay, let's see.
You can make it.
Hey! Look at the
Oh, my mom!
Wait now, let me clean it very well.
Easy. Aye.
Oh. Oh, Mama, how could you allow them to do this to you now?
My leg.
Okay.
My leg. Did you hear what I told you? Abu her son joined her.
But, Mama, you would have called us now.
None of you were around. My leg.
Sorry.
Mama, hey, you meant what you said.
Ezioku. I called this woman. We beat her up. We beat her up so mercilessly. No one
go.
One.
Mama.
She could not even get up from the ground.
I trust you, my mother. I know what you can do. Give me 5, Mama.
Boy, first try.
Sounds right.
Let them try it again.
Sorry. Take it easy. Hey.
Okay.
Hey.
something, Mama?
Isn't it an open that beat her up in our absence?
Hi, easy now, easy.
I'm sorry.
Where are they?
They are the backyard.
Follow me.
Why you? Take this easy. Hey! Mercy! God
Let me just continue. Sorry. I'm sorry.
He's spending me.
Where is she? Where's the woman? Huh? Where is this woman?
Look at them.
Oh, Abagwan. So it is you.
What can you do?
You're asking me what can I do?
Look at this animal that was sent to seminary to my body. What were you able to achieve? Nothing. You are busy perambulating the whole village, looking for young girls to kidnap.
Stop insulting me, oh! I know why I'm respecting. Don't stop insulting me. Don't allow me to lose my anger, oh! Don't allow me to. You ask me what I will do.
Hey! Olaju! Hey, what will you do? What will you do? I'm looking at Kwalaku. Eh? Imulumamu. Come on! Hey! Mama! Not my custom! My God! Oh! I'm a man. Oh my! Let's get that. Okay, Mama.
Onye no logo ye wada no kuwisi. Oye wada kopanya agoba.
Okay, now I will teach you a lesson.
One in the walk. Hey yeah. One in the walk.
Hi. Easy. Oh, hi. Take it easy, Mata. Hey. Oh,
Mama.
Okay.
How could you be this careless? My friend, take it easy on her. What's the problem? You know too well that they will retaliate and you weren't prepared to fight them. Just two minutes I left. Everywhere is messed up. Look at you.
Oh, but Mama, please don't blame me too much. I did not know they would retaliate that fast. I didn't know they would come after me that fast. Or after ourselves. Hey!
And you all be. You couldn't even protect Mama. Or John Ejigumbe.
I tried though. I tried to fight them. But they overpowered us.
Give me. They overpowered you. Look at your stupid mouth. All you do is eat. You don't even have strength.
Mama, did you hear him?
So shut up, my friend.
Obum, please stop blaming your sister. Dozier alone is enough to overpower us. Not to talk when he has an extra hand. Don't forget he is a man. He is a man. Yes.
He is a man, and so does he possess two heads? No, tell me. Amana come like your gifere. Unemechugomiru now. Anama gifere, Mama.
Emechugomiru at all. I tried to fight him back. I jumped about like a praying mountains. Yes, I wanted to kick him. And he fell me down.
Mama,
I did my best.
Mama, I like him. Cha. Unemechugomiru now.
Abum! Mama, but you know you look for their trouble. Mama, you know she has 2 sons and 2 daughters. Mama, just look at you. You know, I'm not happy with this your violent lifestyle. Now, just take a look at your condition.
Which condition are you talking about? Of conditions? Which condition are you talking about? What animals? Did I seek for your opinion? But you heard me shouting. What did you do? What animals? Equally? You could not even come out to fight any of them. You did not have only good for nothing except eating my food. Akakweba. Get out! Come back here! Enter inside! Get inside. What was? Fuck all this. Only in your oversized baby. No, my child,
we go see trouble from the east, trouble from the west.
Do you love my son?
Mama, I love him.
And you want to marry him?
Mama, I want to marry Uju. I love him.
I hope you know that there's no way you can marry my son without my consent.
Yes, Mama, I know. I know that now.
Good. You should know that for you to be welcomed here, yes, you should know how to make my son be a real man. A man who will be doing his mother's bidding. Anything I want, he will do it. That's the only way. Igwe.
He has to be a real man.
You will have to make him be a real man. That is the only condition.
Mama, don't have problem. He will be a real man. He has to wake up to face his challenges as the first son of this family. Mama, don't worry. I will do everything within my powers to make sure I marry Uju Okoli. I really love him, Mama. I do.
You know he's my first son.
Mama, I love Uju Okoli. I love him so much, Mama. I will do anything at all.
Oh my God.
Nena, why are you like this? What is the meaning of this? What's all this? Bruises all over you. You had an accident?
What is it, Afnaya? Haven't you done enough already?
What did I do?
Well, ask your wife Azuka and her stupid children that question.
Azuka?
Look at what they did to me. Afnaya, it's over between us.
No, please don't say that. Don't say that, Nena.
Let me have my peace. Go and face your family.
Nena, please.
Please leave me alone.
Nena, wait. Nena, please go. Azuka did this to Nena. Which means your man reported me to her after collecting such amount of money from me.
Guy, I hope this land you're talking about is a genuine one. Me, I don't want any trouble. I don't want any wahala, please.
Madam, it's this land in question. It's my land. Do you understand? This land has C of O. Yes, and in a very good site. So just call the buyer. People should bring the money and let's strike the deal. There's no time. I'm very impatient, madam.
Are you sure?
Madam, I have plans ahead. Just call the buyer.
Sure?
Sure.
Okay. Let me call him.
Hey, I will not be paying Azuka and I who paid the other bride price. Or who owns this house? Hey, Azuka.
No, the one monkey in a book and guitar. What is it?
Muma. A book and guitar. Azuka. No, okay. No problem. Azuka, I want to ask you a question.
Go ahead.
Did you and your children beat up anyone yesterday?
Did any woman tell you that we beat her up?
Azuka, I will not take question for my question. Azuka, I ask you again. Did you and your children beat up any woman yesterday?
No. Answer my own question. Did any woman tell you that my children and I beat her up? Huh?
Azuka. 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 Hey. We shall see. This is how you go I'm making trouble everywhere. What did that woman do to you? What did she do to you, Azuka? This is how you will be preventing trouble everywhere. Azuka, what did that woman do to you? What did she do to you, Kanajuke? Eh? Okay? Okay?
Very faithful. Me 30.
Sir, this is the land. This is the beacon. Started from here, sir. Okay. To the ending of that place.
Alright.
Yes.
Like other places. That is that very place that is among, right?
That one.
Okay.
Yes. It's an extension. So the land is 200 by 200. Okay. Yes.
What about down there? Is it inclusive?
Yes, sir. It's inclusive.
Oh, okay.
There's another road there. So you have to.
I mean before the junction.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
So it's in a very good site. I can see houses all around. And it's genuine. That's your food.
It's okay, it's okay. I think the place is okay. How much did you put the land?
1 million naira.
Well, from what I'm seeing, the land is too small for 1 million naira.
No, guy, no long talk. How much can you bring? This land is genuine. If you know this land, you even just tell me.
You know what? Just a minute.
For that 1 million, it's too much. You should make it something 500 or 2. That 1 million is too much.
You know what? Let's just not waste time too much. We'll do 500.
No. Oga, if you know this is a virgin land though. See this land, you don't know this land, Oga. Oga, no problem. Just bring 600,000 last. That's the last I can go.
Just a minute, please. Don't be offended. Hello? Okay, no problem. I'm at the site. There's a land I want to acquire now. I'll get back to you. Thank you. I think it's okay.
Don't conclude it. You said yes.
Okay.
Let
me show you around.
Yes,
I say you can see shaking. Trouble from the south. One day, one story. Every day I fight.
Mama, I'm the one. I'm sleeping with it. I'm sleeping with it.
How dare you touch my broom? Eh? You don't want to get you
Mama. I only took a common broom. Eh? Is that why you're shouting like a mad woman? It's not even a new broom.
Common broom?
Yes.
Mad woman? I feel like a mad woman. Okay, let me show them. Mad woman. Where is she? Otano, come on, let me eat you. Never. Ndala.
See, the problem is that Azubike is talking to Papa to share his property. Everybody broke here, vroom.
And what did your mother say about it?
What do you think she's talking in now? She doing a happening not to.
Why is she against it? It's even better they share the property.
No. You're understanding it. See, she's talking that Azubike big one. Brave because his mama is in keys, wife, my papa getting. But leaving those people now. I'm missing you.
I missed it too.
I miss me. Hey. After me. But do you want to meet you now, Ola?
But I'm here now.
No, now. Now. Ola, beg no, Ola, now, Ola. Ola, now.
You,
Ola. Hey, Ola, hey. Ola, now.
Mama, I have finally sold it.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, you have finally sold it. How much did you sell it?
I sold it for 600,000 naira.
600,000 naira.
Yes, ma'am.
So where is the money?
I put it inside a black cellophane bag and hid it in one of my clothes in the wardrobe.
That is very smart of you, my son. Good, good. That is very, very good. Keep it there. When your father finally shares his property, you will collect whatever is your own portion and sell it, and then travel to the city with the whole money and start up a big business. Because we need to take our enemies by surprise.
Exactly, Mama. Ijia, they haven't seen anything.
They've not seen anything.
Cha-cha.
That's my boy. Because I'm
Every day na wahala. Every day na wahala. Every day na.
I'm tired of doing nothing. I want to do something.
Hey, my son, you know it's not my fault. My plans was to see your brother through the seminary school so that when he becomes a Catholic priest, he will sponsor your trip to abroad. But you witness how everything happened. Eh?
Now you supporting Papa sharing property. I take my own selling them. I used to do something now. See, Mama, if plan fails, you no change the plan. No. You just change the strategizing. Everything work.
And do you think that is the right idea?
Yes, it work, Mama. I want you doing something. No. I want you doing something.
Where are you people? Where are you people? Come out here! Nothing's worse. Let's go to the restaurant for this house. Hey, Tobias, come here. Come and stand in front of me. Stand here. I'm going to be glad for you. Now, all of you should listen to me and listen very good. On my way back home, I saw some boys working in my farmland along Wengada Road. And when I asked, I was reliably informed that one of my sons sold that land to a man that came up with evidence of purchase. So I want to ask you now, who amongst you sold that land?
Nam, me can't speak in English. You still learning me sing it too. I can't say plenty money. Look where you go. Blomo, me can't speak in English. I say buying it.
What is it?
How you say? Let me sell this land. Because I'm not the person who sell this land. Don't make plenty money, and it don't carry all our head going together.
You wish you had sold my land.
Papa, you know me too well. I've been very impatient. And I don't know some pale. Papa, this person that told you that one of your sons sold the land should have at least pointed the son out. Wafa. Mention someone's name. Papa, I don't like false accusation. I hate it. I don't like it.
Where are you going?
I don't like it.
Papa. You've heard it. Huh? I don't know why every time problem. Chibwa knows. How can't we rest in this house? Papa, when you lady go out, who they chop, they don't chop her. I didn't will change.
Did that mean I don't for your land?
But I want to guys see all of the things. Me going out with
Papa, there is no problem. There is no problem. I'm not angry. When I will get angry with you is when you fail to bring the paper and the name of the person that sold the land. Hey, I'm a father of Bruzionyala. Yeah, father. God will you go. I'm a father. You know that one father is not mad. No problem. I'm a father. If you fail to bring that document that bears the name of the person that sold this land, you see my bandage. I want to my father only. Selling land. Let me define again. No problem. Let me define again.
Every day na wahala. Every day na wahala. Every day na trouble. Every day na trouble. Man wey marry three wife. He go see shege. I say he go see shege. He go see shege. I say every day na wahala. Every day na wahala. Every day na trouble. Every day na trouble. Man wey marry three wife. He go see shege. trouble from the east, trouble from the west, trouble from the north.
Udojuku.
Papa.
You're back early today.
A good day.
Good day. Hope there's no problem.
My all is not well. I'm not feeling too strong.
Sorry about that. Hey, come and sit down. I've been waiting for your return. Sorry about your health. I have some medicine inside. I'll take it after. Look, I have a question for you. I want to ask you a question.
Apart from the way you are sounding, I hope all is well.
All is not well at all. Cha-cha. Cha-cha.
What is it?
Udojuku, my question to you may sound strange, but I have to ask you. I have to. I know you too well, and I know what you are capable of doing. Definitely, this question is not in your character. But I will ask you. You're my first son, and my most loved. I love your sense of maturity and humility. Your kindness and your peace-loving character appeals to me so much. Udojuku, did you sell my land along Ugada Road?
Papa, I did not sell any of your land. I did not sell your land.
Mama, Mama, did you take the money I kept in my bag?
Which money? The one you realized from the sale of your father's land?
Exactly, Mama. Mama, you are the only one I told where I kept the money. If I can't find it, there will be a problem in this house. So tell me, did you take the money?
How can I take the money without telling you? Of course I did not. What possible Nanja remove that money? Oh!
Mama, there is trouble. There is serious trouble. Look, if the person that took the money doesn't come out, Mama, I will burn out this house. Mama, this house will be too hot and unconducive for everyone.
Now, lower your voice. Do you want them to know that you sold your father's land?
Mama, I don't care. Of what need is it keeping it a secret when I don't have the money I labored for?
I've told you to calm down. I don't want anybody to know what... Mama.
Ned! Hey! Hey! Ned! So you and your son are the criminals that sold the land that our husband was talking about. The truth is now open. Hey! Hello, man. Eh? Thank God! Hallelujah! Thank God! Hey!
Enokwa. Ka baby ni ile meto ese. Asele bakute. Kosi. Frog. I told you. But I told you to calm down. Now they have known that we sold the land.
So, it's you. You actually sold my land and you denied it. Eh?
Point of correction, Papa. I sold our land and not your land. Yes, I am your son and everything you owe equally belongs to me.
Abumeke, is that what you're telling me? You sold my land and you have the gut to stand here now. Remember, now let me have the money.
Papa, there's a problem. I can't find the money. Yes, did you take the money? Because I was even suspecting you. I can't find the money and this house will become too hot for everyone if the person that took the money doesn't come out.
Abumeke, am I the one you're talking to?
Whether
I stole the money?
This man! In the mind now, you got to very impatient. I'm gonna hold on time.
Every day na wahala. Every day na wahala. Every day na trouble. Every day na trouble. Man, we married to the wife.
this boy could not fetch water. Yeah, I got food. So you couldn't fetch water? By the way, I have been looking for you to help me break firewood medicine. Where have you been? Can't kill the women. What are you hiding? Mush! No. What is this?
Open it, baby. Open it. Where did you get it from? Mama, I heard them talking about it this morning. I stole it.
I got one.
Yeah, Mama.
Hi! You're a genius.
Yes, Mama.
I will surprise you because of this. What? Go out and break the firewood medicine. Let me go and hide this thing before somebody sees it.
Uju. Mama.
Okada tapani fonye mwanya. That is why you should stay awake always.
Mama, whenever you sound like this, I know you are heading to somewhere. What is it?
Let's say this sharp. If you keep quiet like this, these people will sell everything and you will be left with nothing. They will sell even this house. Okanyaka. That time will be forced to go to the streets. Jelarba. Molanya.
Okay. What do you want me to do?
Now you're talking. Tell your father to share his property and give you your own so that you will know how to protect it. Molopanya kahasu.
Papa, with the recent happenings, it is obvious that we might turn back and realize that all your property has been sold without your consent. So, as as your wise first son, I will tell you to share your property to everyone to protect his the way you want it.
Udochukwu, has the spirit of your mother possessed you?
Mama, please, don't even involve my mother in this. Because she has done nothing. My mother has done nothing. Papa, I see nothing wrong in me asking for my right. Papa, share your property to everyone. Share it, and I want you to do that as soon as possible. Papa, share your property. Okay, Papa, is it like that? Papa, share your property. Share your property. Share it.
Every day na wahala. Every day na trouble. Every day na trouble. Man wey marry tiri wife. He go see shege. I say he go see shege.
Thank God I met you here. You met me here and so. And why are you thanking God?
Obum, I am happy I met you outside the compound. See, I want us to talk like men and resolve this peacefully. If you want to, you know me too well. I am not a preacher of love. Neither am I a preacher of peace. If I remember that by one man.
Then okay, I'm very impatient to open your observe lately.
You come with that impatient man. Hold on, calm down. Calm down. I am talking about the land you sold.
What about the land I sold?
I kept quiet all this while, believing that pressure will make you bring out the money, but you didn't. Yes. Now, I want you to bring out the money. Let's share it equal. 2 by 2. 50-50. And right now, I gotta get the money.
If you don't bring the money, one day, no peace for you. Our future, over. Huh? If you don't leave my way this minute, what I will do to you, you won't like it.
Oh, come on! You don't check, man. You don't want name for Marka. Come on, boy, son. Okay, come back out now. You go tell two no. Oyala. Ako art is a guy for her. Art is a guy for her. You want art to do? Oyala. How about you want to say?
What is this now? Who kept these rags here? They're even a woman's clothes. It is either Njideka or Ned. No problem. I know
Ojosa bakulogo makwana kwa aye wanene kwa
Azuka, what are you doing? What does it look like?
Yes! Azuka! You set my cause on fire?
Why are you even calling me as if I'm your mate? Is it because I have you? I have set them ablaze. You're right. Hey! You can do your worst.
Hey! What can you do? Azuka!
You think you can bewitch me with this witchcraft of yours? Using your clothes up here? Hey! You made it easy. I manage tomorrow. Oh!
Okay now! Okay, so you can't really have here?
No!
Let us meet woman. It can't be there, Azuka. It can't be there. Okay now.
Are you sure?
You see what I was telling you? They will sell everything and you and your brother will have nothing to rely on.
What I does in now? My papa is stopping sharing properties. What I does?
That is why you have to disturb him. Force him. Make the house uncomfortable for him until he agrees.
You think he's not believing? He's not believing. He's not to believe. Not to believe you. Not to believe him.
See, that's the best thing to do.
I wish I snipe well. Fire. Sharing the property. He's chasing it now.
Better.
Now. Doesn't it now?
I beg.
All I want to see now.
Anytime we see that.
All I want to. All I want. Fire. Doesn't it now? Papa.
Your evil has caught up with you. I saw them. Mama, get them. I saw them. Are you serious? This is, you know me. What? Almost all this.
I say he go see shege.
Chidera, you said you want to talk to me. What is it?
Papa, let me talk in point straight to. She has land, she has a party now. Me collect my own one now. If not, everywhere fire will continue now. So this house is small, you know. I want my own now. Sharing the property now.
Papa, Chidera is on point.
Yeah.
Yes, ever since he was born into this family, this is the very first time he's been reasonable. That one aside. Papa, you know me too well. I'm very impatient. I'm too well. Yes. The best bet will be you share this property, this land, amicably. On your smile.
Do you know you're very wicked? You are very wicked. You have an evil mind. Your brother is still lying down critically ill in the hospital. All you can stand for me to say is share property, divide land, give you.
Nah. You are talking around nonsense.
Ngideka.
Share the property, let there be peace.
Ngideka.
Could I share?
That's the couple talking about sharing my father's property. Come on, Nazo, son. No, Nazo. I'm the first son, and I will decide if they are going to share this property or not.
Yeah.
My mind, I will never.
I go okay. Look at this boy, Papa.
See, Papa, I am the first son.
Good.
And what you have to do now is share the property. Why simple, it's all right.
Yeah, Papa. Share this property. Share this property. Another banger is coming. Share this property. I want to buy car. I want to buy car. Another banger is coming.
Papa, see, let's reason as men. You know I'm the first son. Your first son. You have to share this property. You share it equal rights. And you know I'm the first son.
First son, get it.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Hey! How are you people? Get it to you! You want to give it from my time? Hey! Oh! I'm okay! Okay! I will share land! Share land! I will share the land! I will share it! On one condition! Your brother will have to come back from the hospital before I share that land. All my wives and my children must be complete. Even my kinsmen, they will be present before I share the land. Hey! Hey!
Very nice man. You are doing well. Get that Libya. You are doing
Mama, what if he dies?
Yeah. He will not die. He will not, because I heard he is already responding to treatment, and that he only lost blood, which his sister has offered to donate to him. So
I hope so, Mama. I hope so. I don't want him to die. Cha-cha.
You don't have to bother yourself. Even if he dies, it isn't your fault. After all, he looked for your trouble. True or false?
True, Mama.
Oh, no.
But Mama, I don't want it to die first too. Even if it means donating my own blood, I will donate to after O positive.
Shut up your mouth. Don't you ever vomit that nonsense again. Donate which blood? This our expensive blood. I know what it took me to build your blood. Rubbish. Let his siblings and his mother face the responsibility of what he has caused. If they want to donate all their blood to him, not my own son's blood. Please, I need your blood. We need it.
Hey! Udochukwu, I can't believe this is you talking to me this way. When did you change this much? When?
Papa, nothing has changed. I have not changed. I'm still myself. I'm still Udochukwu. What are supposing Papa? What are supposing okay now, no Allah. Let me be that bad person. Because I'm fighting for my rights. Papa, this is my birthright too. This is my birthright. We're talking about my birthright. Hey, again the self. What is it?
Udochukwu. I'm not maybe the student that come as a Bamba. Udochukwu, I am surprised at you. You're still compelling me to share my property when your brother is lying critically ill in the hospital.
Why is that supposed to be my business now? It's not my business. Did I send anybody to go and fight? Or where's the other no? Okay, tell Papa. Wait, is that their new strategy of delaying while they are busy selling the property? Secretly, all of them one by one. It won't happen, no. It won't happen. Lie, it won't. But nobody should tell me that.
It's okay, I've heard you. I will do exactly as you have said, but on one condition. On the condition that your brother must come back from the hospital, hale and hearty. And everybody, all my sons, my wives, even my daughters, everybody will be present before I make my declaration, so that nobody will say I did it behind him or behind her.
He has to be fast about that. Quick recovery. He has to, Papa, no time to waste. No time to waste. Now, let's share everything. Let's share it. You share it one by one.
So, what did he say?
He said he will grant my request once Dozie returns from the hospital.
That one is not good at all. I don't like it. Anyway, I will manage it. No problem. If you have been behaving like this, would I have been complaining?
I never knew that things would turn out this way.
I am your mother. I cannot deceive you. What I am seeing while sitting here, if you climb an iroko tree, you will not see it. I wish that boy dies.
Mama, how can you say a thing like that?
Ibekwa.
Don't tell me you are wicked and heartless.
Ibekwa.
How can you wish your fellow woman being dead?
Naya.
Huh?
If they were in my shoes, they would do the same thing. Don't you know that if that one dies, one rival is out of our way? And if Obum is convicted of murder, it is either death sentence or life imprisonment. And the case will close.
Mama, in as much as it sounds good and beneficial to us, I cannot wish anybody death, not to talk of my own blood. Let everybody live. Everybody should live. I don't even mind leaving the property for them.
Go and sit down. You will not understand.
There is nothing to understand.
Yeah, I got that.
Yeah? You know they see him.
See what?
You know they see him. You know they fear. Biagbanje, get out of my way before I tear you apart.
Ijoma, if you know what is good for you, repeat what you told Chukwudi about me.
What I told Chukwudi is the truth. That you're a smelly, smallish prostitute that sleeps with every man in this village. Yes. Is it a lie?
Ijoma, you had the gut to throw your dirty self to Chukwudi, right?
Oh my God. I had to do it now. You know, the way he was begging, crawling, he was even bleeding. Tears was coming out of his eye. He said he wants me, that he doesn't need you anymore. So, you know, I can't allow him die because of you. You're not worth it. So I had to say yes.
You know? Ijoma. Ijoma. What sense are you talking about? Ijoma. Ijoma. I'm warning you. Stay away from my man. Stay away from Chukwudi, Ijoma. You can't do anything. No problem.
Mama, why all this drama? Why? I thought this is what you always wanted. The house. He even gave us another 3 plots of land. He gave me an ability.
You insane. What sense still there? Imoma? Eh? Out of the 9 plots of land, I expected him to give you at least 6. Plus the house. Eh? Let him give Njideka 3.
Mama.
It's even too much. 1.
What about Ned?
Ned that has sold their own sins. As a matter of fact, they don't even deserve to be given anything. They are all gold diggers.
Wow, Mama. Exactly. Mama, another thing is, I'm thinking it's not better we plan within ourselves on how to chase those people out from this house.
Mama, this boy is getting too much. It's getting too much.
It's getting too much. What kind of useless thing is that one? So you're satisfied without your chemist? That is what you want to be in this life?
Huh.
Eh?
Is that one a chemist shop? That is a cubicle.
The child on us is
You had ambition.
I don't know why you all are sad. Papa gave us 2 plots of land and the 3 is in it. Remember you sold 1, making it 3.
Come on, make your pogano. Shut up your mouth, Akbive. Look at how fat you are. See, if you don't keep quiet this minute, I'll be forced to shut those mouths up for you.
I've said my own. Me, I've said my own.
Come on, keep quiet, my friend. Oh, I'm talking.
Leave her alone. Give me 4 buzzy. Yeah? My daughter, please come and get something from me inside. Let me tell you something.
Come on, get away from here. I'm up here. If I descend on you,
Mama, so you mean Azuka kicked against Papa giving us 2 plots of land?
Yes, so she did. She said that we shouldn't be given anything. That Obum, your brother, has already sold a plot of land.
Hey,
Mama, you know my you got very impatient. Mama, and where's you are very impatient. I don't know. See, I'm not bothered about that one. All I'm bothered is how to raise on this building. Yamma bono now.
Look at my channel. We're talking about plots of land. No, never about Aboko. Where do you want us to live? When you have not even built one.
Every day na wahala. Every day na trouble. Every day na trouble. Man we married to the wife.
Azuka, what is it you want? Eh? Why can't you be peace-loving for once? For once, Azuka.
I was. Until you gave me reasons to change.
Azuka, if my past mistake is the reason you are being stupid, that means you are making a mistake. Big one.
Oh. You are beginning to insult me.
No.
I can call my children to come and beat you up now. Pima, be short.
Please, there's not going to be that. Leave children of this. We are talking like husband and wife. We are bringing children into it.
Wafly, don't you ever refer to your lack of self-control that put me in this miserable condition as a past mistake. People make mistakes and learn from them because they are not intentional. But your own intentional. Even till recent time, you can actually you're still sleeping with women everywhere. You think I will not know?
Azuka, there are things you don't say in the public. There are things you see and look at them as if they have not happened. I have given enough to you and your children as my first wife.
I want all. I want all. I want all.
You want all?
Yes.
What about your co-wife and their children? Are they going to fly?
What do I care? You think I care? They flew into my family. Let them fly out. If I don't get what I deserve, there will not be peace in this house.
Azuka.
Don't come close.
You see what I've been telling you. Very soon you and your siblings will be sent out of the house.
The matter is shocking me, well. Shocking me, Hi, man.
This is why I asked you to get something doing for yourself. You came back and told me your mother said no. Mommy's boy, at your age, you cannot make decisions and stand by it. You allow your mom to make decisions for you. And you want me to marry you so that I'll suffer with you for the rest of my life.
See, no, stopping it. What's this now? I'm taking care of you. Where now? She's stopping it too.
Where do I even manage from? Your illiteracy, poverty, or that you will soon become homeless. Please, it's over between us and don't come looking for me.
Hola. Yeah, I'll come to this now. See, all I know now.
What am I even doing here with you?
See like this now.
I beg, don't come looking for me, please.
Hola, Beke. Hola, it's me, Odera. Hey. Hola, tell me.
So what should I do? Huh? Good question. You see, the only way you can ensure you don't become homeless in future is for you to take a bold step now and stop Azuka and her children.
Good. Just tell me what you want me to do and I will do it. Because I can't bear the shame of being sent out of my house by that witch woman and her children.
Are you sure you are ready to do what?
You say one more thing, girl. Tell me what to do. Are you sure? Tell me anything. I will do anything.
You know the bush have ears.
One me friend.
Please.
Hi! Osigini, I should do what?
You can do it.
Hi!
You can do it. You can do it.
Every day not to rob. Man wey marry to the wife. He go see shege. I say he go see shege. I say every day na wahala. Every day na wahala. Every day na to rob. Every day na to rob. Man wey marry to the wife. He go see shege. I say he go see shege. He go see trouble from the east, trouble from the west, trouble from the north, trouble from...
One of the two for this house. One waka. Ndala.
No! nwanne nekwa ọgụ.
Ọlụlụ na omume agaghị amụzọ ma ọzọ ga-enyenụ afọ kwada bicha ma mkpụ m nọ na-egbe ebe n'ebe abalị ijele ka m jụọ na ihe ji wee bịa ị na-anụkwa ihe m na-ekwu ụbọchị na-anọ Eke Oye Afọ Nkwọ mgbane ka m jụọ ha ihe ha ji wee bịa ka ha wee kara m. What can they do for you?
My friend here wants to.
Don't speak for her. In my shrine, no one speak for the other. Woman, speak.
Ijele, my husband gave to the first wife and her children his house, which means that when he is gone, my children and I will be driven away from the house, and I don't want that to happen. Please, Ijele, do something about that. Good. Maybe.
How about Ijele? Ain't going to happen. She's any music, I'm saying. Mani Moku. Woman, the only way I can help is to kill her and her son. Do you agree with me? Woman, speak.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Abali Jele. In the Gonia Guru. Okotreburu. Ometreburu. Mano Muzeni Mose can say her. Woman, now listen. In this, there's a substance in this. Go to the doorstep, whoever you want to kill, empty it there, and be sure he you want to kill or she you want to kill will be the first to step on it. The first and second person on it will die. Now take it.
I am still confused over what happened today. How come he died after eating my food?
That is a question that no one has the answer to. But I thought you also ate the same food.
Yes, and that is exactly my worry. Mama, what happened today is a clear sign that someone is out to wipe all of us from the surface of this earth.
Forbid.
And that is why we must be careful, especially in what we eat or drink. I am suspecting someone added poison in my food when I left to get water, only for those here to sneak in and steal the food.
Or maybe he has already eaten the poison before eating the food. Huh?
His mother and sisters were the only ones around. Then us. So who would want to kill him?
This is a question no one can answer.
Anyway, Mama, please, we have to be very careful. And when my brother Udochukwu comes back, you have to inform him so he too can be careful. You don't want anything to happen to us. So.
As your sister.
They are coming now.
Where's Chima?
I think she should be inside.
Chima!
Who is dragging?
Chima! What is wrong with this kid?
Mommy, I'm tired of this meeting after meeting.
Pamela.
What? What people don't worry about no one. I don't worry about it now. My children, I want to discuss something very important. Open your eyes also. My bear, Fuma. Like I was saying, this our house has now become the survival of the fittest. So I want every one of you to be very, very careful. Yes, I say open your eyes, make one of your Fuma and listen. Because time for physical combat has come. It has come. It has now become a spiritual warfare. Yes, you all witnessed how Edochie died. You witnessed his death.
It is still a shock to me.
May his soul rest in peace. Amen.
One more thing. On no account should any of you be the first to open our front door any morning.
But why, Mama?
Listen to my instructions and obey it.
Okay, Ma.
And tomorrow is Nkwo market day. And Azuka is always the first to leave the house. So allow her to leave the house first thing in the morning. Am I clear?
Yes, Mama.
I said my bed. Edula. Can I go and sleep? Edula. Come back here, my friend. Come back here and make suggestion.
Don't you have opinion?
What did Jose do to the world to deserve this wickedness?
See, Mama, we supposedly applying carefulness. So we don't know the next people.
May the killer of Jose never find peace. He or she will die a painful death. He or she will never live up to 7 days.
Amen.
They shall all die in Jesus' name.
Stop telling God what to do. Allow God to do his work because Mama, they deserve it. They deserve it. 7 days is even too much. They will die within 3 days.
They're all dying, so they're dying.
They shall never eat the fruit of their labor.
Amen. Amen.
They shall die.
Amen.
They shall all die. They shall all die. Every day na wahala. Every day na wahala. Every day na trouble. Every day na trouble. Man we marry to the wife.
Hey! My leg! My leg, oh! My leg, oh! Hey! My leg, oh! Uju Okoli! Uju Okoli! That's it!
What happened to you?
My leg!
What happened to your leg?
My leg! My leg! My leg!
Ah! My stomach! Ah! My stomach!
What is it?
Papa!
Okay.
Papa!
Okay. What is it? Ah!
My stomach! My stomach!
What is with you? Okay. Stand up.
Stand up now. Stand up now.
Obi, what's up?
Obi, stand up now. For me now. Cook
What is going on? Why all these recent tragic happenings?
First, it was Dozie. And later, Obi. Right now, Papa is dead. What is happening? I don't understand.
My children, it is obvious someone is out to kill us all. Yes, so as to acquire all the wealth to herself. But who could that be?
Mama, who do you think is responsible?
If my thought is right, then there is no other person but Azoka. Because she's the only person yet to record a death in her family.
Yes, Mama, you have a point. Mama, she could be behind all this.
Right.
Hey.
Ijele, you have finished me. You have finished me, Ijele. Why? Why? Why did you choose to destroy me like this?
Woman, have you forgotten where you are? You are in the son of Ijele. Please calm down. Speak to me in a way I can understand. Speak now.
You have ruined my life. You have made my life miserable. My daughter is dead, Akoya, and my husband is in critical condition. Wabiko, please do something and at least save my husband. Save my husband, Biko.
Woman, did you do as I instructed?
I did everything you asked me to do. I did it, Aponaka. I was not me for you, I did it.
No, something somewhere.
I was not me for. Stop telling me that.
No, don't. One more word from you, I will inflict you with incredible madness.
Okay, if you want to kill me here.
Now leave my shrine.
Kill me.
No, see, everybody's there crying, you know. My first wife and wife crazy. Everybody's crying there. We should be crying in our own now. For the sake of cleansing Papa. Me, I don't cleansing Papa. I want to share Papa till later now. Let's go crying in our own. It's true now. Let's go crying in our own now, man.
What's even wrong with this one? Do you think this is a joking matter?
Wait, back on fire.
That is right.
You don't have money.
Who is alive? My husband. Hey! I want to. Hey! Oh! My husband. Hey! I want
I rushed and immediately I heard the news. How did it happen?
I did what Ijele asked me to do. And this is the outcome. This is the outcome.
But how can you be so careless with something that concerns life and death?
Don't even start to blame me here. Don't start blaming me. What am I supposed to do? Eh? Not you and Ijele have ruined my life.
Stop that. Why are you shouting? Don't you know the words have ears? Or do you want people to hear our conversation? Or should I start telling them how you killed your own husband and daughter?
Is this a blackmail or what?
No. I'm just telling you so that you know how to talk to me. In fact, I have to start going. See you some other time.
Hey! Hey! What did I let myself into? Then the jailer has finished me.
Every day natural. Man we married to the wife. He go see shaggy. I say he go see shaggy. He go see shaggy. I say every day na wahala. Every day na wahala. Every day natural. Every day natural. Man we married to the wife. He go see shaggy. I say he go see shaggy. He go see trouble from the east, trouble from the west, trouble from the north, trouble from the south. One day, one story, every day I fight. He go see shaggy, he go see shaggy. Every day na wahala, every day na wahala, every day na trouble, every day na trouble. Man, the way my
Mama!
What is it?
From my leg.
What happened to it?
It's biting me inside.
Who's somebody? Eh? Oh, give it.
Mama, ay, mama, no, mama, ya,
Biaba, no. I want more. Ijoma! Hey! Ijoma! Ijoma! Hey, okay, don't be quiet. Ijoma, run, go and call your brother. Tell him to bring medicine, because... Nah, because... Hey, because Bossa!
I don't understand what is going on. Everything is getting more scary than ever. No day that passes by without a case of theft.
Obina, I don't understand. Who is responsible for those deaths in your family?
My love, if I know, I won't be asking you.
Hey, so strange. So strange.
I regret persuading my father to share his property. All these problems started after he did. Look at...
Mama said she bring medicine. She didn't be shouting, my head, my stomach. I don't know. Where are we going?
Are you scared?
No.
Are you no longer my friend? I want to show you something. Meanwhile, let me ease myself. I'm coming out now, eh?
Okay, I'll wait for you.
Nana.
Sugabande se resulta lambre de bow, le kazun de bunda sakalabra. Upon Mount Zion there shall be deliverance, and the house of Afunanya shall possess their possession. Amen. Jehovah, le du sakabande zele, le kabrosun kabande kayaba. La kelu kebo, take your own glory. Yes. Who is Ini?
She's my mother.
Okay, Ini is your mother.
Yes.
While I was praying, the Lord ministered to me. Yes, I have something to tell you. Leave me alone, sugar bar.
Hey! Are you the madman that has refused me to sleep in my own house? Why were you making noise?
Madam, while I was praying, the Spirit of God also ministered to me that you have something to say.
I can't get out.
There's something about you. You need to confess your sin and be free.
There's something about you too. Who brought this madman inside?
Mama, I brought him and he's not a madman, he's a man of God. A lot has happened in our family and we need God's intervention. Man, yes.
And in your little mind, it is this kind of a man that will give you the intervention you're looking for. You think everybody in court is a pastor. This one is mentally deranged.
Jesus Christ. Jehovah, the hour has come. If I be a servant of God, then do this, O Lord, and take your own glory. Jehovah Labrabo, Sudaraba Mama, Kesuke Bundere.
Hey, see. If I go inside my house and come out, and you're still behaving like this madman you are, Major go to Pierre the Eggs.
Fire of your lips! Fire of your lips! Fire of your lips! Confess! Speak for the Lord, yes. She's talking it to.
I did it! I killed it! I killed it! It was intentional, no! I wanted to kill somebody else. It was a family. It was because of me that they sent Ngozi away from the seminary. I did it. Everybody fan me. Fire is running me.
I'm forgiving. If you wish.
Hey, everybody fan me. Fan me, oh.
He who has not committed this sin should be the first to cast the stone at her. See, brothers and sisters in Christ, there's something I want to let you know today. She was pushed and now she has realized her mistakes. Let us pray for her. Father, in the name of Jesus Christ, I deliver you from the obstruction of satanic influence and I restore you to the kingdom of life. Thank you, Father, because it is done. Thank you, Jesus. It is done. Hallelujah. We are saying thank you, Jesus. Thank you, my Lord. We are saying
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, man. Every day na wahala. Every day na wahala. Every day na trouble. Every day na trouble. Man, when married to the wife, he go see shege. I say he go see shege. He go see shege. I say every day na wahala. Every day na wahala. Every day na trouble. Every day na trouble. Man, when married to the wife, he go see shege. I say he go see shege. He go see shege. He go see trouble from the east, trouble from the west, trouble from the north, trouble from the south. One day one story, every day na fight. I he go see shege. He go see shege. Every day na wahala. Every day na wahala. Every day na trouble. Every day na trouble. Man when married to the wife, he go see shege. I say he go hear me. He go see shege. Every day na wahala. Every day na wahala. Every day na trouble. Every day na trouble. Man when married to the wife, he go see shege. I say he go hear me. My brother no be to marry to the wife. Coco, if the wahala start, you do what I know logo. I come on, I call on, I double. One day you do go. Yeah, every day na wahala. Every day na wahala. Every day na trouble. Every day na trouble. Man when married to the wife, he go see shege. I say he go see shege.